Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best makeup brushes that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Outop BESTOPE 8-piece makeup brushes. Amateurs and professionals alike will love this stylish and fashionable makeup brush set. Containing 8 differently sized brushes, the Outop set is fit for the home, salon, beauty center and other places. The pieces consist of top-grade wooden handles and bristles made from a combination of natural and synthetic fibers. The super soft and free-flowing bristles apply powder, creams, and liquids effectively and without wastage, while the sturdy and light handle enhance comfort. The kit measures about 6 by 0.9 by 3 inches and weighs 6.4 ounces. The brush set is among the best because of its high quality, solid feel, soft yet firm bristles, and cleans easily. Like other new products, it does come with some mild factory smell. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Lamora Foundation Makeup Brush. Applying different types of makeup is easier and more professional with these black brushes. Coming in a high-quality wooden handle and smooth and sturdy bristles, the brush is fit for powder, liquids as well as creams. It comes in a well-designed and ergonomic handle and shapes for maximum comfort and efficiency, while the flat top bristles reduce wastage and improve the speed of application. The 0.8-ounce unit is a popular pick because it's very easy to use, versatile, stylish and also light. The bristles are however a bit soft and need tender care. At number 3, we have the BESTOPE Premium 14 pieces Makeup Brush. This ultra-premium brushes is created with the finest materials and work to provide a smooth, firm application with a gentle, delicate touch. An earth-friendly item, these brushes has been built to last for a long period. Rich colors make this brush set resemble $1,000,000. Smooth application, foundation, beautiful lips and precision eyeliner. It comes in a set of 9 pieces of eye cosmetics brushes and 5 pieces of big kabuki makeup brushes. So notes. If you select this brand, clearly this is the best for you. At number 2, we have the USpicy 32 pieces makeup brush set. Inside this stylish and exquisite box, measuring 9.4 by 5.5 by 2 inches and weighing 1.1 pounds, are 32 makeup brushes. They come in different sizes and the bristles are shaped differently for maximum efficiency and reliability. The black brushes are fit for home and professional use and can be used for concealing, contouring, blending, shading, highlighting, and much more. The cruelty-free synthetic bristles are very soft and won't harm the skin but will remain intact and won't shade unnecessarily. For easy carrying and storage, the set comes with an easy carry pouch. Consumers love the many brushes, firmly attached heads, soft and sturdy bristles. However, some state that the container looks cheapish. And finally, at number 1, we have the USpicy Oval Makeup Brush Set. Contouring, highlighting, blushing, applying foundation, eyeliner, eyeshadow and other makeup in a professional manner is what this brush set is designed for. Consisting of 5 brushes and a simple and stylish hardboard box, this 5.9-ounce set is perfect for individuals as well as professionals. The stand-up cruelty-free brushes feature flat bottoms for better balance and free standing and oval tips for smooth application. The densely arranged synthetic bristles work well with different products, whether powder, liquids, creams, and are easy to clean. Other than the super soft bristles, high quality, and cleaning ease, this brush set is loved for its ergonomic design and anti-slip nature. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.